Hey friends, this is Atif Hope Val and welcome to the new update on Dash Coin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Dash Coin first broke out a very huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And after that, above the resistance of the previous falling wedge pattern, the price then formed another down channel, a smaller down channel. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that Horizon has also broken out this smaller down channel as well. And the target for the breakout from this channel I was telling you was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $44. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target up to $71.63, but got rejected by this long-term resistance of $60. You can see that despite we had this long spike up to $71.63, but the price and could not break out this resistance of $60. We got rejections here. Previously, by the way, by the $60 resistance, we got rejections here. And before that, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And if we move more back, then here you can see that for several weeks, a month, it has been breaking as a support, this $60 level that is now working as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ZRO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 11th of November 2024. And here you can also find the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Dash Coin. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it has been moving inside this channel. And by the way, the previous support of the bigger falling wedge pattern was working as a support of this channel. And here we had this down trend line resistance. And after the breakout, we had a very, very powerful pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to the current high here, uh, show you this pump here, then you can see that it was almost 211% pump. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that the weekly candlestick could not have closing above the resistance of $60. If you take a look at the closing price of this candlestick, that was at $50, $58. You can see the closing price here at $58.38 and drop down once again. Now we need to break out this long-term resistance of $60 in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, the $60 has been previously breaking at a resistance here, and before that, it has been breaking at a very, very strong support here. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. And after that, the next resistance will be here. That will be approximately at $79. That was previously breaking at the resistance here and support here, support here. And again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. And after that, we will have this key resistance of $100. It has been previously breaking as a very, very strong support here for several weeks, a month. And now it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Dash Coin. Now, if we take a look at this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that we broke out the wedge here in the month of Feb 2024, but after the breakout, the price line was stuck inside this channel. Therefore, for several weeks and months, the price line could not continue this rally to the upside even after the breakout from this wedge. And now we have broken out this channel, the next channel, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.